Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. I'm here at Oak Hill Fire Department in California. Today we're going to be working on their wood pile. What we're going to be trying to do for them is build a PVC covering that they can use in the winter months. Here we're going to be cutting it at 162.5, and we're actually going to be drilling a hole in this 2x4 and putting our PVC pipe through this frame here to give it a little more strength. So we're going to go ahead and cut our next pipe at 162.5. The same cut here, 162.5 inches, also going to be for our ridge beam. So we're just matching the same length of each. Alright, now that we have our legs in and we've drilled the holes, it's nice and secure, we're going to put another adjustable three-way right here. We have it loose right now so we can get our pitch. What we're going to do is get our long 162-inch pipe that we've cut, make sure it's tight into this side of the three-way. We're going to run it across. When we get to this end, we also have another three-way. Before we attach it to this side, we want to get our slip tees, and we're going to stick them through. Now we're going to make the pitch of our roof. These long pieces here are 10 feet 8 inches, and we're using the adjustable three-way fitting. This allows us to get any pitch we want to do, just like so, and then we can lock it in, and we'll be finding that right pitch. Alright, so now what we've done here is we've set it out a kind of framework of what the top's going to look like. So take a look. Along here, they're going to come up and hook into our three-way up top like that, and then this is going to be a support beam that goes down. Moving over, you have two more slip tees. These are going to be plugged into these here like that, hook into there. Same here, hook in. You're going to have another support beam on a slip tee that's going to go down to the wood pile. Two more slip tees. Lastly, you're going to have your two more here hooked onto the three-way, and one more support beam going down. So let's see what that looks like. On this side, we have not built the frame yet. We will be building the frame that will look like this over here. We've put an additional hole in the wood there. It's gone down and supported. So what we've done is we've built the frame here. Now we need to adjust the three ways. So we're taking our wrench and tightening them to the right angle. Alright, so I just finished cutting our last side angle on this support beam. We have about 5 to 6 of these. What we're basically doing is making a nice edge to connect onto the laterals up there. To create the best support, we're tying it to this main support beam that goes down to the ground. This lateral one here, and then the side to side. We're tying them all in together so it's the most firm. So we have put on these links right here, going all the way down to the far side on both sides here. And that allows us to mitigate some of the side to side movement. Also, gives us support on this end here, so this is not so open. You see here we attached our snap clamps 2 feet apart. We always put more snap clamps on if we feel like an area is not being well secured. Don't put any on the middle. You want that nice and tight to run water and snow off.
For more PVC ideas like this, follow our YouTube channel or our blog. You'll see the URLs in the comments below. If you'd like to purchase some of our products, go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching.